Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use your iPhone health app, new features in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your iPhone health app. Now, there are a lot of different things that have changed. You can simply go ahead and use the visual intelligence for nutrition if you want to. So if you simply go ahead and click on search and click on nutrition, you can actually go ahead and start tracking your nutrition. You can also search for visual right over here, which is going to go ahead and show up. You can also check for vitals if you want to, right over here, like blood glucose, oxygen level, and many more right over here. You can also go ahead and have a perimenopause support. So you can simply go ahead and enable cycle tracking inside of your application as well, which is a new feature. You can go ahead and look through it. You can also check your state of mind for digital journaling. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on